What's up, guys? So just finished the install on the Baja Designs LED light here. I opted for one with a switch so I could turn it on and off, but they sent this out to me for free, so huge shout out to them. But build quality is superb, really nice. So I opted for the one with the switch. That way I could just tie it into my factory light. So my factory light was burnt out. So I just literally spliced into the factory line, cut the end off, and spliced it into this. And now all I have to do is hit this button, and then now it turns on. So nice and bright. I opted for amber. It's kind of softer light, I guess you could say. So it's just a little bit easier for me to see. So that's kind of why I went with the amber. Plus, I like the look of it. So, but yeah, so that's just kind of what it looks like. So I opted to go in the middle of the hood versus down there. I kind of played around with where I kind of wanted it, and that seemed to be the best spot was right there. So kind of gives you a wider splash of light. So, but yeah, but so far turned out awesome. Thanks again to Baja Design for sending that out to me. That was super cool. Also, Baja Design gave you guys a discount code. So if you guys use code KyleSVT10 at checkout on anything on their website, you get 10% off. So that was kind of cool then to do that as well. So, but yeah, so definitely happy. I haven't had an underhood light because mine was burnt out when I bought it. So another thing that they did include was some mounting screws and stuff. I did double-sided like foam tape on that, just because I wasn't exactly sure where I want to mount it. If I end up keeping it there, I might drill through and actually mount that. They have little bolts and then a nut on the end, and then I can just drill through this piece right here and actually hard fix it on there. But we'll see how long the double-sided tape might be just fine. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. Definitely consider subscribing. That helps me out a bunch, guys. And I will see you guys in the next video.